In this video, we're going to break down how to use clues of comparison or contrast to understand words that we might not know the definition of. Comparison clues give us an idea of what the word is like, using phrases such as like, as, for instance, or such as. On the flip side, contrast clues give us an idea of what the word is not like. Look out for words like unlike, as opposed to, however, or in contrast. Let's take a look at some concrete examples. Unlike her gregarious sister, Emily is reserved and prefers solitary activities. Does gregarious mean shy, outgoing, independent, or argumentative? Looking at our sentence, we can see from the signal word unlike that Emily and her sister are not alike. Therefore, however the sentence describes Emily, her sister will be the opposite. In this case, Emily is described as reserved and preferring solitary activities. Take careful note not to get confused here. For example, the first choice is shy. While this may be the perfect word to describe Emily, remember that we're trying to describe her sister, and based on our signal word unlike, Emily and her sister are opposites. Therefore, if Emily is shy, her sister cannot be. With that in mind, since Emily is described as shy, we can understand that her sister is the opposite and must be outgoing and talkative. And that must be the definition of the word gregarious. Based on this, we can head down to our choices and mark B, outgoing, as our final answer. Let's take a look at another example. Just like his fearless grandfather, Isaac is an intrepid explorer who seeks new challenges. Does intrepid mean brave, fearful, cautious, or young? In this sentence, we can see from the signal words just like that Isaac and his grandfather are similar. Therefore, whatever his grandfather is like, Isaac will be the same. In this case, the sentence tells us that Isaac's grandfather is fearless. Therefore, Isaac must be fearless as well, and that must be the definition of intrepid. Based on this, we can head down to our choices and see that A, brave, best matches our definition and can be marked as our final answer. Now that you've got the hang of it, try your hand at using clues of comparison or contrast with the mock test questions below.